Do you have memories so horrible you'd prefer to banish them from your mind? Have some secret agency erase them never to surface again? Like Elizabeth Keene in killing her father in the Blacklist? My feelings about microelectronics lack exactly. Don't get me wrong. I don't mind the subject matter or the practical parts. My LED roulette wheel ran long enough to earn me an A. It's everything else I prefer to forget. Sliding to class in gloomy darkness on sidewalks polished with ice. Staring into 400 grumpy faces with a 7 o'clock shadow surrounding the professor. Realizing that maybe a handful of women joined us in the amphitheater. A handful out of 400. Chemical engineering, my chemical engineering class, was fully 1/3 female. Environmental engineering did even better. They achieved gender parity, but not electrical engineering. Why? We can safely rule out fear of math. No engineering student can survive without a scientific calculator. And chemical engineering deals with fluids, something rarely found in electrical engineering, which require integrating three-dimensional tensors. If you don't know what that means, be thankful. Dread of computer work need not apply. Every engineering student has to submit homework by computer, and it often requires programming. A dislike of science makes no sense either. Chemical engineering requires advanced chemistry on top of the physics required in electrical engineering. And computer science has a lower female ratio than chemistry does. What is the difference? When I started my cyber thriller series for teenage girls, I found the answer. Society is as different as the People's Republic of China, the former German Democratic Republic, Saudi Arabia, Iran achieved parity among tech students, not the Western world. Because Western culture, especially pop culture, propagates misinformation. Before I wrote CyberSpiracy, I looked around. Film and television propagate one particular stereotype: the nerdy female who doesn't fit in. Sandra Bullock in The Net, the girl with the dragon tattoo. The more recent Max Winslow went one step further. The nerdy heroine has a male-sounding name. She's never called Maxine in the movie. It's Max, and you find that out 10 minutes into the movie. Is it any wonder that girls have a wrong impression about working in computing? A 2020 Gina Davis Institute study confirmed it. 4 out of 5 girls said that representation in pop culture, in the media, matters. My answer to that: CyberSpiracy. The heroine has pink hair, plays with dolls, fangirls on girl power singers, and loves and is good at computing. A blog, IWinTech, further supports the idea, with the actual character narrating the blog in character and giving girls a positive role model that it's okay to be girls and be in tech. Unfortunately, only 6% of the US population works in STEM. The rest just don't know any better. So adults propagate these false stereotypes and tell girls they're no good at math, they're no good at science, they can't do computing. CyberSpiracy is meant to combat this constant barrage of misinformation so girls have a positive role model that they can lean on to excel in tech, which they can.